In this video, you'll learn how to sell on eBay effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to create your seller account, list your products, and manage your orders successfully. Start by navigating to the eBay website. If you already have an account, locate the sign-in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to log in. If you are a new user, look for the register button to create a new account. During registration, ensure you provide accurate information and add your payment details, as this is essential for selling items. Once logged in, find the Sell option in the top menu. Clicking this will guide you to the listing creation process. Having a fully set up account and having next, select the Create Listing option. This action will take you to a new screen where you can enter the details of your product. Start by providing a clear and concise title that accurately describes the item. In the description field, include detailed information about the product, such as its condition, features, and any relevant specifications. High quality photos are crucial as they help buyers evaluate the item. Choose the appropriate category for your product to ensure it reaches the right audience. Set a competitive price and decide whether you want to run an auction or offer a fixed price listing. Don't forget to include shipping information and return policy details, as these factors can influence a buyer's decision. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, review your listing to ensure accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, proceed by clicking the List Item button. This action will make your item visible to buyers on eBay. Keep in mind that the visibility of your listing can be affected by factors such as pricing and category selection. After your listing goes live, potential buyers will be able to view your item and make purchases. You will receive notifications through your eBay account whenever a sale is made. When a buyer purchases your item, it is important to act promptly. Carefully pack the item to prevent damage during shipping. Use the shipping service you selected during the listing process. After shipping the item, update the tracking information on eBay. This allows the buyer to monitor the delivery status of their purchase. Providing timely shipping and good customer service is essential for maintaining positive feedback as a seller. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.